What's up, my sweeties? It's TeeElle, baby, and I'm back with another one. Hit that subscribe button. Come on and join the fun.
Cause I'm crazy and I'm sexy and I'm cool. Gotta rub around the edges, but I keep it smooth. I'm always left and center, and that's right where I belong. I'm the random man, and don't you hear it? Major song that I like that.
Welcome back to my channel. Today, guys, as you can see by the title and the thumbnail, I am back with another Dollar Tree DIY project. Today we're doing an Easter wreath, and I'm going to go over the items I got from Dollar Tree in just a second. First, what I need you guys to do is give this video a fat thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Show some love in the comment section. Also, make sure you click that bell so that you're notified each and every time I post a video. So I went ahead and I picked up 4 of the mop pads. You may not need all 4. We might need 3 because the wreath is so small, but I picked up an extra one just in case. I got these cute bunny ears, a wreath. And I got some Easter decor eggs, and they're actually all chained together, but I'm going to take them apart. These are the new items that I picked up from Dollar Tree. You're also going to need some piping if you don't have any already. If you do have like ribbon or yarn, anything along that lines, that'll be fine. Also have a pair of scissors, my hot glue sticks, and I have my hot glue gun. So now that you know all the items that you're supposed to have, we're going to get started with the project. Alright guys, so right now what I have in front of me is the wreath and the mop pads. So first what I'm going to do is hot glue the mop pad around the wreath. So I already had my hot glue heating up, and we're just going to take it and go. I'm just kind of zigzagging it. You can just hot glue all around. Kind of want to be quick with it, of course. Anytime you're working with hot glue, you want to be quick. And whatever part does not stick, we can go back and hit it again with the hot glue. Okay, so we're gonna see how that works. Okay, so I'm gonna lay it flat on there and just stick it all around. Just like so. And now what I can go under here and do is just hot glue it down some more. I'm just gonna keep one around. All right, so we have our first mop pad on our wreath. And now we're going to go ahead and do our second one. And it looks like we're going to need about 2.5 of the mop pads. All right, sweeties, so now that I have the second mop pad glued onto my wreath, I'm going to take and measure the third one to see how much I need, and then we're going to glue that one on as well. Cut just a little more than half. Get all the flurries off of there. Now that we have our furry, cute, super cute furry wreath, it's time for the next step. And the next step is to grab your bunny ears. As you can see, it's kind of like the same exact fur. Over. What we're going to do is stretch these bunny ears out across our wreath. Just like this. And we're going to hot glue it. How cute is this? OMG. Look how cute that is. All right, so now that we have our hot glue on our bunny ears, we're just going to carefully use your chin, your chest, whatever you got to do is stand this up. Stretch your bunny ears carefully across the wreath after you hot glue, and just hold it there for a little bit. And as I said before, you can choose if you want to use piping, ribbon, yarn, whichever you would like to hang up your wreath. So I'm going to choose this yellow piping, and I'm just going to bring it around. I think it just adds a nice little cute little touch to it. Could use white, whatever you want to use. So you wrap that around and then you just twist the top. Like so. We're not done yet. We still have our Easter decor. So I'm going to get that out. And as I mentioned, there's 3 eggs here, and I'm going to unlink them so that I can place them on my wreath the way I would like to. So I think I'm going to choose maybe, should I choose yellow and pink or yellow and blue? Let's see. Yellow and blue or yellow and pink? I think I want to choose yellow and blue. So with the piping, we're going to place it on the inside of each egg in the middle section. So just make each end of the pipe go through each egg in the middle. And I'll show you guys in 1 second how it looks. Sorry for the noise, my guinea pigs are going crazy. Guinea pigs going wild. Okay, so it looks like this. And now we're going to place one of the pipes above the wreath and one below, and then we're going to connect them and twist them together. The tighter you pull, the better your eggs will lay. Hold it in place, lay it flat, and twist tightly. That way your eggs can stay and they won't move. And this is why I chose piping, so I can twist it. It'll be easier. You can tie your ribbon if you want, whichever you choose. We don't need to tie that all the way because this is the back, so we can just lay it there. So my sweeties, I hope you guys really enjoyed this Dollar Tree DIY Easter project. This wreath is so stinking cute. Go ahead and make you one. It's easy, it's affordable, like I said before. You can choose whichever decor you want to put at the bottom. I chose these eggs and I think they look so cute. The ears, choose whichever color you want. Subscribe. Make sure you click that bell so you do not miss when I upload. Give this video a fat thumbs up, and I'll see you guys. I got fur all on my nails. I'll see you guys in the next video. I am out. Peace.
You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so she drippin' swag goo. Oh, you a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so she drippin' swag goo. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so she drippin' swag goo. Oh.